Welcome to our another tutorial. In this video, we are going to install Anaconda in our remote Linux server. So, just we'll start the session. These are simple steps we are going to follow. Actually, now I am using Windows 10, but I am going to install the Anaconda in my Linux server. So, just connect with my Linux server using XRDB connection. I am going to log in. Then you can see this is my Linux server. Now I am enter my password and log in. And in this video we are going to follow simple steps. Just open terminal here. So you can directly open terminal from here, or you can use Ctrl Alt T. To start install Anaconda, you have to download the file from the official website. And this is the official website. You can go here and download as per your Windows configuration, or it may be a Linux based, you can download for Linux, and it may be a Mac based system, you can download for Mac also. I am already download the file and saved it my download folder here. Okay, so in the command section I am going to locate the file. So where I need to go, downloading folder, right? Now you can see Anaconda here. So we are going to follow simple steps, just 3-line code. You just paste it, you can easily install the Anaconda. You just copy it. I will give the code in description and also comment section. You can easily copy and paste and use it. Here you can welcome to Anaconda 3 and the version, and please press enter to continue. Just click enter. You and just type yes. So you can see, press enter to confirm the location. The Anaconda will be stored in home and users and Anaconda 3. It will be fine for me. If you want to change the location, you can change as per your file path. Now I am going to click enter. Now the unpackaging is started. Now the file is extracting. Yeah, just now I'm going to add a new one. Here you can see the file anaconda3 is created. Just wait until it's completed. Preparing transactions done, executing transaction done. Wait until it's completed. Anaconda config set auto active refresh. You can do this by run. Yes. Yeah. Now we successfully installed the Anaconda. Here you can see, thank you for installing Anaconda. Now you can see the Conda version. And this is my Conda version. Now the Conda have been installed successfully. I am going to open the Anaconda navigator here. So you simply open the terminal and run anaconda-navigator, and this will open the navigator application. Yeah, I will update the version later. this is a navigator interface. You can use Jupyter Lab, Notebook, and so many of your applications are here. If you want to install, just click install. It will be easily installed. You can use RStudio, and you can use Python. To check, I just launch a Jupyter Notebook here. Yeah, it is working fine. Yeah, I think this video will help you to easily install the Anaconda